home safe. There's no law in Wayside Flats. Got us a cabin a couple of miles up the road. Tomorrow, I'll start teaching you the outlaw trade. And now, something more important. Red Garter Saloon. There's only one reason this town exists. Tell me, how long has it been since you bedded down a woman? Don't know. You never? You never? You're a full-grown man. We're outlaws. Figured on learning how to rob banks. Never figured on learning you're at lovemaking. Does your pecker work proper? Whenever a sweet-smelling gal passes close by, does it stand up and say howdy? Good. And you do know where to put it. See, you're just nervous, right? Hey, my first time, only time in my entire life I was ever scared shitless. Yeah, it was a nerve-jangling experience for a boy of 11 years. It's as simple as riding a horse. Start with a walk. Now move into a canter. Steady like, don't trot, never trot. Now you hold that steady canter till that sweet little creature starts to moan. That's your signal. Gallop. Gallop, ride hard. Come on, yes. You boys got business here? Now remember, never just jump on a woman. First, tell her she's got a pretty dress, nice soft hair, or in your case, stroke it a few times. Then jump on her. Love, mate.